This Vista Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Michael Majid. Enjoy the breathtaking Catalina and panoramic oceans while the cool breeze surrounds you in this well-maintained home. Situated in the fabulous South Shores area, this home boasts an open floor plan with majority of the living space, including the master suite on the entry level. The spacious living room with a wall of windows to soak in the stunning ocean views leads out to a patio off the formal dining area. The kitchen has been updated with custom cabinets, gorgeous counters, and features newer black stainless steel appliances. The downstairs area has a spacious family room with a wet bar plus 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and access to a lovely grass yard for the kids to play or have friends over for a drink and watch the sunset. The 2-car garage has ample storage space and direct access to the house. Living here, you will truly feel like you are on top of the world. The acclaimed South Shore Elementary Magnet School for the Visual and Performing Arts is located nearby, overlooking the ocean, and you are just down the road from world-class resorts, Trump National Golf Club and Terranea, a 5-star resort. Walk to nearby restaurants, stores, parks, and services. For more information,